Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the notebook exercise for chapter number 16. The chapter name is Look, Learn and Experience. Class 5, subject EVS GCERT. So before starting the exercise, we will recall what we had learned in the chapter number 16. So in the starting of this chapter, we had seen what is substance and the definition of substance. So in that we had seen that the matter by which the given things or given objects are made up of, so that matter is known as the substance. And we had seen also some of the examples through one table. Like one example we had seen about chair. So chair is made up of wood, either plastic or iron. So these all wood, plastic and iron, they are known as the substance, and here our object or thing is chair. So we had seen this kind of examples. Then after we had seen what is mass and weight. So in that we had seen that mass of any object is the amount of matter which is contained by that object, that is known as the mass of that object. And in weight we had seen that weight of an object is the force which is acting on that object due to the gravity of the earth. So that is known as the weight. And we had also seen that everything is made up of matter or substance. And with that everything has the weight or mass. And they have the weight or mass, so that means they are also occupying some space. And one example of that is air. Air also has the weight and it also occupies the space. So these are some of the facts we had seen. Then after we had seen one activity in which you have to draw the outline of the different kinds of objects like leaf, then after eraser, sharpener, etc. Then after we had seen one another activity in which we had filled the three different kinds of substance in the glass or bowl, like water, stone or smoke from the incense stick. And we had seen some of the property of these three different kinds of substance. And from that we had classified the substance into three types, that is liquid substance, solid substance and gaseous substance. So first we had seen in the chapter that was liquid substance, that means the substance which changes its shape when we are putting them from one container to another container. But at the same time they are not changing their space which is occupied by them. So this kind of substance are known as the liquid substance. We had also seen some of the examples of this kind of substance like milk, juice, honey, etc. Then after we had seen what is solid substance. So the substance which do not change their shape as well as volume, they are known as the solid substance, like eraser, wood, iron. So these are some of the examples of solid substance. And at last we had seen about gaseous substance, the substance when they are transferred from one container to another container, at that time they change their shape as well as they are also changing the space which is occupied by them. So this kind of substance are known as the gaseous substance, like steam, smoke, fog. So these are some of the examples of gaseous substance. Then after from this different state of substance, we had seen one classification in which we had classified the different substance into solid, liquid or gaseous. Then after we had seen about the sources of the object which we are finding around us, like table, ghee, petrol. These are some kind of some of the examples of the objects which we are finding around us. So from which sources we are getting this substance that we had seen, like the example of table. So it is made up of wood or iron. So we are getting this wood from the plant, that means the natural resources used to make the table, that is plant. And if it is made up of iron, then we are getting this iron from the land, and land again itself, it is the natural resource. That means from some of this example we concluded that the objects which we are finding around us, most of that objects we are getting from the natural resources, that means from the environment. So we had also seen what is the importance to conserve and to save our environment. And At last we had seen some of the examples of solid, liquid and gaseous substance again. So these are the things we had seen in this chapter. So now let me start the notebook exercise. So before starting the exercise, here the hard words for this chapter is given to you. So first you have to write the hard words. So the first one in that is experience. The spelling is given to you, EXPERIENCE, experience. Next, second number is chair, CHAIR, chair. Next one, third number is spectacles, SPECTACLES, spectacles. Next, fourth number is bucket, BUCKET, bucket. Next, then after fifth number is leather, LEATHER, leather. Next, sixth number is thread, THREAD, thread. Next, seventh number is kerosene, KEROSENE, kerosene. Next, eighth number is eraser, ERASER, eraser. Next, ninth number is transparent, TRANSPARENT, transparent. Next, 10th number is substance, SUBSTANCE, substance. Next, then after 11th number is matter, MATTER, matter. Next, 12th number is liquid, LIQUID, liquid. Next, 13th number is solid, SOLID, solid. Then after next 14th number is gaseous, GASEOUS, gaseous. Next one, 15th number is space, SPACE, space. Next, 16th number is charcoal, CHARCOAL, charcoal. Next, 17th number is petroleum, PETROLEUM, petroleum. Next, 18th number is steam, STEAM, steam. Next, 19th number is smoke, SMOKE, smoke. And last one, 20th number is oxygen, OXYGEN, oxygen. So these are the hard words you have to write in this notebook, in this chapter number 16. In the next video, we will start the notebook exercise. Thank you.